Hello everybody and welcome to one more grammar lesson with Alonso Moreno. I am Alonso Moreno and in this opportunity I am going to explain the active voice and passive voice. Yes, the active voice and passive voice. For this lesson we need to establish the aim. The aim of the lesson is going to be learn to talk about films and TV using the active and passive voice. Here we have two sentences, like George Lucas produced Star Wars, and as an example of the active sentence, and Star Wars was produced by George Lucas as an example of the passive sentence. In the first sentence, we have a subject, we have an object, and we have a verb. In the second sentence, the subject is going to be Star Wars. And in the active sentence, Star Wars is the object, but in the passive becomes the subject. George Lucas, that is the subject in the active sentence, becomes the agent in the passive sentence. Notice that the verb in the active sentence is produced. However, in passive sentence, this verb that is in simple past is going to change into a verb to be in past plus the verb in past participle. And I want to finish the lesson reminding that when you put an active sentence, the emphasis is on the performer. But when you put a passive sentence, the emphasis is on the receiver. Thank you very much. Goodbye.